Hi, welcome to Section 3 Data Visualization. In this section, we'll learn visual exploratory data analysis, line plot, scatter plot, box plot, histogram plot, pie plot, area plot, and heat map. This video is on visual exploratory data analysis. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is the concept of visual exploratory data analysis, what are the steps involved in exploratory data analysis, what are the techniques involved in exploratory data analysis, what is the comparison of EDA with data mining. So the approach for visual exploratory data analysis involves 4 steps. Step 1, we explain you the concept of exploratory data analysis. Step 2, we explain you the steps involved in exploratory data analysis. Step 3, we explain you the type of charts involved in exploratory data analysis. Step 4, we explain you how EDA is different from data mining. So the concept of visual exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is an approach for data analysis which employs a variety of techniques to maximize insight into data set. So it uncovers underlying structure, it extracts important variables, it detects outliers and anomalies, it tests underlying assumptions, develop models, and determine optimal factor settings. So that's steps for exploratory data analysis. There are 6 steps involved. Step 1, how to import the data. Step 2, how to get the basic description of the data. Step 3, how to query or index the data. Step 4, how to get the features of the data. Step 5, how to understand what challenges can be posed by data, example missing values. Step 6, how to discover the patterns in the data. So the techniques for exploratory data analysis. Most of the EDA techniques involves graphical techniques. The reason is that graphical techniques provides more insight to the data. So the particular graphical techniques employed in EDA or exploratory data analysis are plotting the raw data such as histogram, plotting simple statistics such as mean plots or box plot, plotting natural pattern recognition abilities such as using multiple plots per page. So what is the comparison of EDA with data mining? In EDA, we typically explore and compare many different variables with variety of techniques to search and find systematic patterns. Whereas in data mining, we are concerned with extracting patterns from the data. Those patterns basically provide insights into relationship between variables that can be used to improve business decisions. So data mining can be said more application oriented, whereas EDA is concerned with the basic nature of underlying phenomena. So why this is important? This is important to understand the concept of visual exploratory data analysis. In this video, we have seen the following things. What is the concept of visual exploratory data analysis? What are the steps involved in exploratory data analysis? What are the techniques involved in the exploratory data analysis? And what is the basic difference between exploratory data analysis and data mining techniques?